Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can use CapCut PC. Now this might be a long tutorial, so just be patient. You're going to learn a lot of stuff from this video. So to import items, videos, you're just going to select import here, and you are going to select videos. So for instance, I want to add this one. I'm just going to double click it. You can also add pictures, and you can also add in audio, like import audio. You can also extract audio here, so press extracted audio, select import, and select a video, and it's just going to import the audio. You can also delete that if you don't want it to be there. Now CapCut will also give you some stock videos, which is basically the same as the one in your phone. If you want more options, CapCut browser is a good place to get stock videos. They do give you more than just these. So for instance, I want to speed up a video. Let's just choose this video for our example. We can select speed, and we can make it faster by going to the right. We can make it slower by going to the left. And you can also add in a smooth slow motion for the video. Usually I would opt for optical flow because it is better, but it does take longer for the app to process. We also have this curve speed here. We have kind of the same as the one on our phone. You can also customize the curve speed here. So we can move this up and we can move this down. We can also add in more right here if you want to. I'm just going to select none for this. And we can also add in keyframes. So for instance, I want to zoom in. I'm just going to add a keyframe here. And I want to zoom in on her, so I'm going to then add a keyframe here. Then I can scale it and move it, and it's going to automatically zoom in to her. Instead of like this bit, it's just going to zoom in on her. As you can see, it's slowly moving there. And then I'm just going to select this video again. You can rotate it. You can add in an overlay, so add it to track and place it on top of the video. Go to blend mode and choose the blend mode you want. For instance, this darkened one, and as you can see, it kind of changes the sky. You can also stabilize the video here if you want. Choose the most stable too. And here is where you can add in an in animation. So you have this fade in and a fade out. You can also add in a combo animation in the middle, but I'm not going to do that. You can also adjust the duration of the animation too, by the way. So you also have this motion tracking, which I'm not familiar with still. We also have adjustments. I have a tutorial on LUTs in another video, but that will take really long if I also show you this. You can adjust the colors here if you want it brighter, also adjust the contrast and stuff here, sharpen the video a little bit maybe. Here's where you can add in text if you want to, and like text templates if you want. You can even change the text here. It could be like happy birthday instead of like happy new year. Happy birthday, Taylor. Oops. For example, you can also change the color of the text. Here's where you can add stickers. Just press the plus button here. And this is where you can add in effects. Just again, press the plus button. Video transitions, you do have to split the video using the split button, or you have more than like 2 videos, you can also do that. Here is the freeze frame button. Here is the reverse button. Here's the mirror button. Here is the rotate button, and here is where you can crop videos. Just press confirm, but I'm not going to. Here is where you can add in funky looking filters. Oh, I think I pressed rotate. That's why there's a keyframe here, as you can see, but just delete it. Oh, it's here actually. I'm going to put it to 0. Or you can double click it to put it back to its original position. And adjustments is the same thing as the one up here. That's pretty much it. You can also record your voice here and export the video here. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!